In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intake air temp sensor on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Take this cover and just slide it up. You just pull straight up. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it off. Using a pick, there's a little tab underneath here, underneath the tab, slide it up. Just twist and slide the sensor right out. Take the new sensor, slide it in, and then twist it, quarter turn, plug the connector in, and take the cover, line it up, push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.